Hello everyone, my name is Amrit Chand and today I will be presenting my project Tutor Bridge. Tutor Bridge is a web-based platform that connects students and tutors through a centralized system. Students can create tuition requests by providing details such as subject, preferred location, budget and any additional requirements. Tutors can browse these requests and apply based on their qualification, expertise and availability. After receiving tutor application, students can review tutor profile, compare their qualification and choose the tutor who best matches their learning needs. The main objective of Tutor Bridge is to make the process of connecting students and tutors more organized, transparent, efficient and reliable. Now let's begin the project demonstration. This is the landing page of the Tutor Bridge. From here, users can learn about the platform and access the login or register feature. To create a new account, I am clicking on the register button. This is the registration page. For this demonstration, I will register as a student. Now I am filling in all the required details including my name, email address and passport. I have entered all the required information and now I am clicking on the create account button. To complete the registration process, the system sends a verification code to my email address. I have received the verification code in my email. Now I am entering the code into the verification field and clicking the verify and create account button. As you can see, my account has been created successfully. Next, I am going to log into my student account. I will use the same email address and passport that I used during registration and then click on the login button. I have successfully logged into the student account. This is the student dashboard. This is student dashboard. From here, students can create tuition requests, view and manage their request, update their profile and access the other available features. Now I will demonstrate each feature of the student dashboard. First, let's begin by creating a tuition request. To create a new tuition request, I am clicking on the create tuition request button. This is the tuition request form and I am filling in all the required details. So I have completed the form and now I am clicking on the submit button. As you can see, the tuition request has been posted successfully. Now I will follow the same process to create another tuition request. The second tuition request has also been created successfully. Next, I am navigating to the my request page. Here I can view all the tuition requests I have created. I can also view tutor applications for each request and book a tutor once I receive applications. To demonstrate the delete feature, I am deleting the tuition request for the database subject. Now I am clicking on the delete button, so the tuition request has been deleted successfully. Now let's move on to our next feature, create support. So for that I am clicking on the create support option. This is the create support form. Here students can submit a support request if they encounter any issues while using the website. So I am entering the subject, description and now click submit ticket. As you can see, the support request has been submitted successfully. To view the support ticket I have just created, I am navigating to the support section. This is my support ticket that I recently created. From here, I can view the status of the ticket and if the admin has replied, I can also view the response here. At the moment, the admin hasn't responded yet. Next, I will demonstrate another feature which is profile update. To access this feature, I am clicking on the profile icon and selecting profile update. From here, users can update their profile picture and their name. I am changing my profile picture and updating my name and click Save Changes button. You can see that my name has been updated and my new profile picture is also displayed. Now let's move on to our Change Passport feature. For that, I am clicking on Change Passport. This is the Change Passport form. I am entering my current passport followed by new passport and confirming it. For testing purpose, I will first enter an incorrect current passport and click on the Save Changes button. Here you can see the toast message indicating that the current passport is incorrect. Now I am entering the correct current passport and click on the Save Changes button again. As you can see, my passport has been updated successfully. Now I am going to log out my student account and log in as a tutor so I can apply for the tuition request that I created earlier. Since I don't have a tutor account yet, I will first register as a tutor. So for that, I am clicking on the register button. Now I will fill in all the required details. So I have entered all the required information and now I am clicking on the create account button. To complete the registration process, the system has sent a verification code to my email address. I have received the verification code in my email. Now I will enter the code into the verification field and click on the verify and create account button. As you can see, my tutor account has been created successfully. So I'm going to log in with these credentials. This is the tutor dashboard. Now I'm going to apply for the tuition request that I created earlier. For that, I'm clicking on the view available tuition request option. Here I can see the tuition request that I posted earlier. From this page, tutors can view the details of available tuition request and apply for the ones that match their qualification and preferences. Now I'm going to apply for this tuition request. So I'm clicking on the apply button. Here we can see a toast message asking us to verify our tutor profile before applying for a tuition request. So let's verify the tutor profile first. For that, I'm going to the tutor profile section. This is the tutor profile form. I am filling in all the required details and then clicking on the Save Tutor Profile button. My tutor profile has been saved successfully and a verification request has been sent to the admin for approval. To demonstrate the delete feature, I am deleting my tutor profile. You can see that my tutor profile has been deleted successfully. Now I will fill in the tutor profile details once again and click on the Save Tutor Profile button. As you can see, my tutor profile has been saved successfully and the verification request has been sent to the admin again. Next, I am going to log in to the admin account using the pre-configured credentials to review and approve the tutor profile verification request. This is the admin dashboard. To approve the tutor profile, I am going to manage tutor profile option. Here we can see the tutor profile verification request. We can also view the tutor's CV before making a decision. The admin has two options, approve or delete. I am clicking on the approve button. You can see that the tutor profile has been approved successfully. Next, I will respond to the support ticket that I created earlier from the student account. For that, I am clicking on the support tickets option. Here we can view all the support tickets submitted by users. I am opening the ticket that I created earlier, entering my response and clicking on the send response button. As you can see, the support ticket has been responded successfully. Now I am going to log into the tutor account again to check whether my tutor profile has been approved. You can see that my tutor profile has been approved successfully. Now I am going to apply for the tuition request, so I am clicking on the apply button. The application has been submitted successfully. To view the status of my application, I am clicking on the my application option. Here we can view all the tuition requests that I have applied for along with the current status of each application. As you can see, the status of my application is currently pending, which means the student has not yet accepted or rejected my application. Now let's log back into the student account. First I will try login with my old passport. You can see the toast message showing invalid passport because I entered my old passport. Now I am entering my new passport and click on the login button. I have logged in successfully. Here we can see a notification indicating that a tutor has applied for my tuition request. Without any further delay, let's book the tutor. For that, I am clicking on the my request option. Here we can see the tutor application for this tuition request. I am clicking on the book button. The system now redirect me to the Khalti payment gateway. I will complete the payment process. You can see that the payment has been completed successfully. Now I am navigating to the my booking section. Here we can view the booking details. As you can see, the booking status is currently pending. Before moving on, let's check the support ticket that I created earlier. I am opening the support section. Here we can see that the support ticket has been resolved and the admin's response is also displayed. Next, I will log into the admin account again to approve the booking request. This is the admin dashboard. Here we can see a new notification indicating that a booking request has been received. I am clicking on the manage booking option. Here we can view the pending booking request. Now I am clicking on the accept button to accept the booking request. The booking request has been approved successfully. Now I will quickly log back into the student account, so I am navigating to the my booking section. Here we can see that my booking has been approved successfully. Next, let's move on to the my tutor feature. From here, students can view their assigned tutor and communicate with them through the built-in chat feature. I am opening the chat and sending a message. You can see that my message has been sent successfully. Another feature available here is review and rating. Now I am going to give a review and rating to the tutor. As you can see, the review and rating has been submitted successfully. Here we can also edit or delete the review at any time. To demonstrate this, I will edit my reviews, save reviews and then delete it. Now let's do this again. As you can see, the review and rating has been submitted successfully. Next, I will log into the tutor account again. Let's first check the application status. You can see that the application status is now booked. Now let's open the my students section. Here I can view the review and rating submitted by the student. I can also view the student's message and reply through the chat feature. So I'm going to reply this message. As you can see, my reply has been sent successfully. Finally, I will log into the admin account once again to demonstrate the admin last feature. This is the admin dashboard. The admin last feature is manage users. For that, I am clicking on the manage users option. From here, the admin can view and manage all registered students and tutors available in the system. To demonstrate the delete users feature, I am deleting a student account. You can see that the student account has been deleted successfully. We also have a search feature which allows us to quick find any registered user. In addition, the admin can filter users to view students only or tutors only. Finally, let's move on to the last feature of the Tutor Bridge, which is forget password. For that, I am logging out of the account. On the login page, I am clicking on the forget password button. Now I am entering my registered email address and clicking on the send reset code button. The system has sent a verification code to my email. I have received the verification code in my email. Now I will enter the code into the verification field and create a new passport, confirm it and click on the reset passport button. You can see that my passport has been reset successfully. Now let's verify it by logging in again. First I will try login in with my previous passport. You can see that the system displays an invalid passport message. Now I will enter my new passport and click on the login button. You can see that I have logged in successfully. With that, the demonstration of the Tutor Bridge is completed. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.